Welcome to Lemon English Video， 我是 David。如果你喜欢，请点赞、订阅、分享。
Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
最近的公车站在哪里？
Does this bus go downtown? Does this bus go downtown? Does this bus go downtown?
Does this bus go downtown?
这班公车有到市中心吗？
How much is the bus fare? How much is the bus fare? How much is the bus fare?
How much is the bus fare?
公车票价是多少？
Do I need exact change? Do I need exact change? Do I need exact change?
Do I need exact change?
需要准备刚好的零钱吗？
How often does this bus run? How often does this bus run? How often does this bus run?
How often does this bus run?
这班公车多久一班？
Is this the right bus for the mall? Is this the right bus for the mall? Is this the right bus for the mall?
Is this the right bus for the mall?
这班公车有到购物中心吗？
Where should I get off? Where should I get off? Where should I get off?
Where should I get off?
我应该在哪里下车？
How long is the ride? How long is the ride? How long is the ride?
How long is the ride?
车程大概多久？
Does this bus run late at night? Does this bus run late at night? Does this bus run late at night?
Does this bus run late at night?
这班公车晚上还有吗？
Where is the subway entrance? Where is the subway entrance? Where is the subway entrance?
Where is the subway entrance?
地铁入口在哪里？
Which line goes to the airport? Which line goes to the airport? Which line goes to the airport?
Which line goes to the airport?
哪一条线有到机场？
Do I need to transfer? Do I need to transfer? Do I need to transfer?
Do I need to transfer?
我要转车吗？
How many stops until downtown? How many stops until downtown? How many stops until downtown?
How many stops until downtown?
到市中心还有几站？
Where can I buy a metro card? Where can I buy a metro card? Where can I buy a metro card?
Where can I buy a metro card?
我在哪里可以买捷运卡？
Is this train going uptown? Is this train going uptown? Is this train going uptown?
Is this train going uptown?
这班车是往北去吗？
Does this subway go both ways? Does this subway go both ways? Does this subway go both ways?
Does this subway go both ways?
这条地铁有双向吗？
How late does the subway run? How late does the subway run? How late does the subway run?
How late does the subway run?
捷运营运到多晚？
Can I use contactless payment? Can I use contactless payment? Can I use contactless payment?
Can I use contactless payment?
可以用感应支付吗？
Which exit leads to the museum? Which exit leads to the museum? Which exit leads to the museum?
Which exit leads to the museum?
哪个出口可以到博物馆？
Where is the train station? Where is the train station? Where is the train station?
Where is the train station?
火车站在哪里？
What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave?
What time does the train leave?
火车几点开？
Which platform is for this train? Which platform is for this train? Which platform is for this train?
Which platform is for this train?
Do I need a seat reservation? Do I need a seat reservation? Do I need a seat reservation?
Do I need a seat reservation?
需要划位吗？
How long is the trip? How long is the trip? How long is the trip?
How long is the trip?
车程要多久？
Does this train go express? Does this train go express? Does this train go express?
Does this train go express?
这班是快车吗？
Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket?
Where can I buy a ticket?
在哪里可以买票？
Is food available on this train? Is food available on this train? Is food available on this train?
Is food available on this train?
这班火车上有卖食物吗？
When does the next train arrive? When does the next train arrive? When does the next train arrive?
When does the next train arrive?
下一班火车什么时候到？
Can I change my train ticket? Can I change my train ticket? Can I change my train ticket?
Can I change my train ticket?
我可以改票吗？
Where is the airline check-in counter? Where is the airline check-in counter? Where is the airline check-in counter?
Where is the airline check-in counter?
航空公司的报道，柜台在哪里？
How early should I arrive? How early should I arrive? How early should I arrive?
How early should I arrive?
我应该多早到？
Where is the security checkpoint? Where is the security checkpoint? Where is the security checkpoint?
Where is the security checkpoint?
安检口在哪里？
Do I need to take off shoes? Do I need to take off shoes? Do I need to take off shoes?
Do I need to take off shoes?
需要脱鞋子吗？
Where is the boarding gate? Where is the boarding gate? Where is the boarding gate?
Where is the boarding gate?
登机门在哪里？
When does boarding begin? When does boarding begin? When does boarding begin?
When does boarding begin?
什么时候开始登机？
Can I bring this on board? Can I bring this on board? Can I bring this on board?
Can I bring this on board?
这个可以带上飞机吗？
How much is the baggage fee? How much is the baggage fee? How much is the baggage fee?
How much is the baggage fee?
行李费用是多少？
Is this flight on time? Is this flight on time? Is this flight on time?
Is this flight on time?
这班飞机准时吗？
Where do I claim my luggage? Where do I claim my luggage? Where do I claim my luggage?
Where do I claim my luggage?
我在哪里领行李？
Could you take me downtown? Could you take me downtown? Could you take me downtown?
Could you take me downtown?
可以载我去市中心吗？
How much is the fare? How much is the fare? How much is the fare?
How much is the fare?
车资是多少？
Can you use the meter? Can you use the meter? Can you use the meter?
Can you use the meter?
可以打表吗？
Please take me to this hotel. Please take me to this hotel. Please take me to this hotel.
Please take me to this hotel.
请载我到这家饭店。
Can you drive a bit faster? Can you drive a bit faster? Can you drive a bit faster?
Can you drive a bit faster?
可以开快一点吗？
Please slow down a little. Please slow down a little. Please slow down a little.
Please slow down a little.
请开慢一点。
Could you drop me off here? Could you drop me off here? Could you drop me off here?
Could you drop me off here?
可以在这里让我下车吗？
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
你收信用卡吗？
Can you wait for me here? Can you wait for me here? Can you wait for me here?
Can you wait for me here?
你可以在这里等我吗？
How long will the ride take? How long will the ride take? How long will the ride take?
How long will the ride take?
这趟车大概要多久？
I need a ride right now. I need a ride right now. I need a ride right now.
I need a ride right now.
我现在需要叫车。
Can you pick me up here? Can you pick me up here? Can you pick me up here?
Can you pick me up here?
你可以在这里接我吗？
How long until you arrive? How long until you arrive? How long until you arrive?
How long until you arrive?
你多久会到？
What car should I look for? What car should I look for? What car should I look for?
What car should I look for?
我要找哪台车？
Could you unlock the door? Could you unlock the door? Could you unlock the door?
Could you unlock the door?
你可以开车门吗？
Please follow the GPS route. Please follow the GPS route. Please follow the GPS route.
Please follow the GPS route.
请依照导航走。
Can you drop me at the mall? Can you drop me at the mall? Can you drop me at the mall?
Can you drop me at the mall?
可以载我到购物中心吗？
Is the fare already charged? Is the fare already charged? Is the fare already charged?
Is the fare already charged?
车资已经扣款了吗？
Could you help with my bags? Could you help with my bags? Could you help with my bags?
Could you help with my bags?
你可以帮我拿行李吗？
Thank you for the ride. Thank you for the ride. Thank you for the ride.
Thank you for the ride.
谢谢你，我
Excuse me, where is this place? Excuse me, where is this place? Excuse me, where is this place?
Excuse me, where is this place?
不好意思，这地方在哪里？
How far is it from here? How far is it from here? How far is it from here?
How far is it from here?
离这里有多远？
Can I walk there from here? Can I walk there from here? Can I walk there from here?
Can I walk there from here?
我可以从这里走过去吗？
Which bus goes to the station? Which bus goes to the station? Which bus goes to the station?
Which bus goes to the station?
哪班公车到火车站？
Is it on the left or right? Is it on the left or right? Is it on the left or right?
Is it on the left or right?
是在左边还是右边？
How many stops from here? How many stops from here? How many stops from here?
How many stops from here?
从这里算几站？
Could you point it on the map? Could you point it on the map? Could you point it on the map?
Could you point it on the map?
你可以在地图上指给我看吗？
Is there a shortcut to go there? Is there a shortcut to go there? Is there a shortcut to go there?
Is there a shortcut to go there?
有捷径可以去那里吗？
Can I get there by subway? Can I get there by subway? Can I get there by subway?
Can I get there by subway?
我可以搭地铁去那里吗？
How long does it take to walk? How long does it take to walk? How long does it take to walk?
How long does it take to walk?
走路要多久？
Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket?
Where can I buy a ticket?
我在哪里可以买票？
Do you accept credit cards here? Do you accept credit cards here? Do you accept credit cards here?
Do you accept credit cards here?
这里可以刷信用卡吗？
Is cash payment available? Is cash payment available? Is cash payment available?
Is cash payment available?
可以用现金付款吗？
Can I pay with my phone? Can I pay with my phone? Can I pay with my phone?
Can I pay with my phone?
我可以用手机付款吗？
Where is the ticket machine? Where is the ticket machine? Where is the ticket machine?
Where is the ticket machine?
售票机在哪里？
How much is a one-way ticket? How much is a one-way ticket? How much is a one-way ticket?
How much is a one-way ticket?
单程票多少钱？
Do you sell round-trip tickets? Do you sell round-trip tickets? Do you sell round-trip tickets?
Do you sell round-trip tickets?
有卖来回票吗？
Can I use a travel card here? Can I use a travel card here? Can I use a travel card here?
Can I use a travel card here?
这里可以用交通卡吗？
Does the ticket include transfers? Does the ticket include transfers? Does the ticket include transfers?
Does the ticket include transfers?
这张票包含转乘吗？
Is there a student discount? Is there a student discount? Is there a student discount?
Is there a student discount?
有学生票优惠吗？
Why is the bus delayed? Why is the bus delayed? Why is the bus delayed?
Why is the bus delayed?
为什么公车延误？
How long is the delay? How long is the delay? How long is the delay?
How long is the delay?
要延误多久？
Is there another route available? Is there another route available? Is there another route available?
Is there another route available?
有其他路线可以搭吗？
The train was cancelled today. The train was cancelled today. The train was cancelled today.
The train was cancelled today.
今天的火车取消了。
Which bus can I take instead? Which bus can I take instead? Which bus can I take instead?
Which bus can I take instead?
我可以改搭哪班公车？
Where can I check delay updates? Where can I check delay updates? Where can I check delay updates?
Where can I check delay updates?
我在哪里可以查延误资讯？
Is there a shuttle service? Is there a shuttle service? Is there a shuttle service?
Is there a shuttle service?
有接驳车服务吗？
Will the flight leave tonight? Will the flight leave tonight? Will the flight leave tonight?
Will the flight leave tonight?
这班飞机今晚会飞吗？
When will the next train depart? When will the next train depart? When will the next train depart?
When will the next train depart?
下一班火车什么时候出发？
Can I get a refund for delays? Can I get a refund for delays? Can I get a refund for delays?
Can I get a refund for delays?
延误可以退票吗？
I can't find my bus stop. I can't find my bus stop. I can't find my bus stop.
I can't find my bus stop.
我找不到我的公车站牌。
Where exactly is the taxi stand? Where exactly is the taxi stand? Where exactly is the taxi stand?
Where exactly is the taxi stand?
计程车招呼站在哪里？
I don't see my Uber here. I don't see my Uber here. I don't see my Uber here.
I don't see my Uber here.
我没有看到我的 Uber。
Could you call the driver for me? Could you call the driver for me? Could you call the driver for me?
Could you call the driver for me?
你可以帮我打给司机吗？
Did the bus already leave? Did the bus already leave? Did the bus already leave?
Did the bus already leave?
公车已经开走了吗？
Where is the pickup location? Where is the pickup location? Where is the pickup location?
Where is the pickup location?
接送地点在哪里？
Is this the correct stop? Is this the correct stop? Is this the correct stop?
Is this the correct stop?
这是正确的站吗？
I think I missed my train. I think I missed my train. I think I missed my train.
I think I missed my train.
我想我错过火车了。
Can someone help me find the bus? Can someone help me find the bus? Can someone help me find the bus?
Can someone help me find the bus?
有人可以帮我找公车吗？
I can't locate the right platform. I can't locate the right platform. I can't locate the right platform.
I can't locate the right platform.
我找不到正确的月台。